Hi, pals. Compliments of the season. Let's solve for A. Okay. Now, this is obviously exponential, so we just need to figure it out together. Okay. So let's figure out how to get common base from this. Now, this is 27 to the power of A minus 1. Okay, now is equal to 2187. Let's transfer this so it becomes minus 729A. All right, now we have 27A minus 1 is equal to, now if you look at this, we need to factorize. Yes, so this divides this will give us 3. That means we can express this as 729 multiplied by 3, right? Minus 729A. All right, so we have 27 to the power of A minus 1 is equal to, let's factorize 729 from here. So we have 729. When this is divided by itself, we have 3. When this is divided by this, we have only A remaining, right? Okay, now remember what I said. Let's find a way of giving them the same base, and I think I can see that because this is 27 to the power of A minus 1 is equal to, now 729 same thing as 27 squared. Can you see that? So we have cracked this question. Yes, once you're able to get the same base, forget it, we have gotten the solution already. Now, if this is the first time you're seeing this channel, please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. I'm sorry for the background noise. Yes, I'm in the village. We traveled for the Christmas. Okay. So please forgive the background noise. People are actually celebrating, but I can't just be celebrating and I will leave my page. I need to be posting for you guys so that you don't get bored, right? Yeah. So back to what we are doing. We need to divide both sides of this equation by 27 squared so that we have 3 minus A separate. Recall that we are looking for A, right? Yeah. So let's do that. So you are going to have 27A minus 1 divided by 27 squared is equal to 27 squared multiplied by 3 minus A divided by 27 squared. This, we cancel this. Okay, now look at this. We have the same base, and according to the law of exponents, it states that A to the power of m divided by A to the power of n is equal to A to the power of m minus n. So that means that we have the same base here. We are going to pick the base, which is 27, and then we are going to subtract the powers, which is A minus 1 minus 2, okay, is equal to 3 minus A. So here we have 27 to the power of A minus 1 minus 2 will give us minus 3 is equal to 3 minus A. Now, are you seeing something? We have A minus 3 here. We have 3 minus A here. Let's make them the same thing. How do we make this to be A 3 minus A? We introduce negative sign, right? So it's going to be minus 3 minus A, right? Because minus times 3 will give us minus 3, and minus times plus A minus A will give us plus A. So this is equal to this. Is equal to 3 minus A. Now, we have the same thing on both sides of the equation. We can simplify by saying let 3 minus A be equal to x. Now, if we say that, that means this becomes 27 to the power of minus x is equal to x. All right. Now, when you have something like this, the first thing we need to do is to clear this x and shift it to one side of the equation. And to do that, because looking at this, there's no way we are going to get common base here. We can't. So let's shift this to see if we are going to get x to the power of x, since what we have here is 3 to the power of 3. Are you seeing that? So the only way is to shift this to this side. And to do that, we are going to raise each side of the equation to the power of 1 over minus x. Okay, so we are going to have 27 to the power of minus x raised to the power of 1 over minus x. Okay, is equal to x to the power of 1 over minus x. All right. Yeah. All right. Now minus x, we cancel minus x. We have 27 here. Is equal to x. So 1 over minus x is same thing as minus 1 multiplied by 1 over x. Hope you know. Yes. So we have not really changed anything. This 1 over minus x is same thing as minus 1 multiplied by 1 over x. So we have 27 is equal to, so when you have a to the power of m multiplied by n is equal to a to the power of m raised to the power of n, or a to the power of n raised to the power of m. So let's express this in this form. So let's bring this in as the power to this. So we have x to the power of minus 1 raised to the power of 1 over x. Okay, all right. So we have 27 is equal to x to the power of minus 1 is what? Is 1 over x. So we have 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over x. Exactly what you are looking for. We need the same thing here and here, since we can express this as 3 to the power of 3. Have you given us a thumbs up yet? If you've not, then do that, please. Thank you so much. Now 27 is same thing as 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 1 over x raised to the power of 1 over x. So by comparison, we can see that 3 is equal to 1 over x. Wait, we are not looking for the value of x. I hope you know. We're actually looking for the value of a. Okay, so see how we are going to get that from what we are just doing. Now to get x, this is 3 over 1. Let's cross multiply. If we do that, we have 3 times x will give us 3x is equal to 1 times 1 will give us 1. So we divide by 3, divide by 3, and we have x to be equal to 1 over 3. Okay, perfect. All right, now let's get to the point. Recall, we are not looking for x, we are looking for 1 over, we are looking for a. So recall, let's get to where we made a statement that says let 3 minus a is equal to x. Okay, let 3 minus a equals x. So we now have x to be equal to 1 over 3. From here, our x is equal to 1 over 3. So we have, but x is equal to 1 over 3. Therefore, we can replace this x with 3 minus a in order to get the value of a. So we have 3 minus a is equal to 1 over 3. I would like you to watch to the end, because we are going to prove that the answer we got is correct. Yes, we are going to substitute that into the equation. So we have 3, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 we cross to become minus 1 over 3 is equal to minus a we cross to become a. Now let's solve. The LCM is 3. 1 divides 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 divide itself is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 is equal to a. So we have 8 over 3 is equal to a. Now it's time to prove the answer. Remember that this is the most interesting aspect. So let's verify. The equation says 27 to the power of a minus 1 plus 729 multiplied by a is equal to 2187. So let's substitute our a. We have 27 to the power of 8 over 3 minus 1 plus 729 bracket 8 over 3 is equal to 2187. Okay, so we have 27 to the power of 8 over 3 minus 1 is same thing as 3 over 3, right? Plus, now 3 we divide 729 and we are going to get 243. So this place is 243. So we have 243 here. Okay, multiplied by 8 is equal to 2187. All right. Okay. Now we have 27 to the power of 8 minus 3 is 5. So we have 5 over 3 plus. Now 243 multiplied by 8 will give us 1944 is equal to 2187. We are still checking. We are still checking. Okay. Now when you have a to the power of m over n is equal to the nth root of a raised to the power of m. So that means that this is same thing as the cube root of 27 raised to the power of 5. Okay, plus 1944 is equal to 2187. Now cube root of 27 is 3. 3 is what you are going to multiply 3 times to get 27. So it's 3 to the power of 5 plus 1944 is equal to 2187. Now 3 to the power of 5 will give us 243 plus 1944 is equal to 2187. Now 243 plus 1944 will give us 200 2187, and this is equal to 2187. So we can see that the left hand side of this equation is equal to the right hand side of this equation. That proves that our answer is correct. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a lovely day. Bye.